Alright, so this is some of the heaviest rain we've had this year. And my street is relatively flooded, as you can see. And I'm gonna go for a drive now, which is probably a bad idea, and see what else is out there. Here we go. Luckily, I've got my high clearance truck, which isn't super high clearance, but far better than many other people's vehicles. Let's see here. Lights on. Windshield wipers. What do we got out here? Parking will be an issue. Oh, my garage door always gets stuck. There it goes. Alright. Creating a little tidal wave. This part of the street isn't bad. Woo boy! Getting deep. Man, this is deep water. I don't know if I even want to take my truck out there. That is intensely deep water over there. I was planning on going that way, but I am not gonna do it. Because, I mean, I know I could make it through, but man, that is deep. Let's head back this way. There's a bus going through. Let's watch it go through here. Oh, engine going deeper. And looks like it's not gonna risk it there. He's gonna back on up. It's been raining for probably 4 hours at least at this point, which is extremely rare for Matamoros. And Matamoros actually sits below sea level, which doesn't make this any better. So let's see what this guy does. He's gonna turn this way. Just plowing through the streets there. Look at these waves it's kicking up over there. Alright. Let's do a little plowing ourselves. There's the street that I was gonna go down, but that truck is up halfway basically. We're gonna go back up this way. Poor guy, riding his bike back there. So up here it's fine, you see. Let's head down this street. That car up there is hitting water up above the hood. I don't know if you can see that. Basically pushing a giant wave in front of it. I am up pretty high here. You can see about the height of the water on this vehicle there. Something floating. This car is not doing so hot, and I'm not gonna risk it. I would like to, but don't think it's worth it at this point. Check out these waves. We're just gonna back on out of here. I may get my waders, come wade through here. That might be kind of fun. Yep, I'm just backing all the way up the street. Because why not? It's Mexico. Just cruising backwards down the street. Here's another big bus rolling up behind me. It'll be interesting to see what he does. We've got a possibly disabled vehicle here, blocking my street of all things. He's gonna back his way out. No way is somebody gonna get out of it. This is gonna turn around. That bus is ridiculous. No idea what that bus thinks it's doing. Because the road is blocked off with caution tape up there. Look at that bus. You can't see it, but the bus is now turning down a one-way street going the wrong way because there's caution tape blocking that street over there. This is kind of fun. We're gonna blast through this water and pull up into this parking lot here. Sorry, just took a little expert driving to get up here. And by expert, I mean driving that doesn't disable my vehicle. Just getting positioned so we can watch people. All right.